In this Tap Essentials video, you will learn how to do a scuffle, which combines the scuff with a shuffle. Take two. So Thanksgiving is coming up this week, so it'll be interesting spending Thanksgiving in England where they don't celebrate Thanksgiving, so I don't have a break as I normally would have during this week from school. So that's different, but it's fine. Ready to learn how to... I'm just rambling now. I'm rambling. You all have a lovely Thanksgiving this week if you celebrate Thanksgiving, and if you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, I hope you find something this week to celebrate. Thank you.